Did you know working together can boost learning? Cooperative learning is a game changer. It helps students engage deeply, enabling them to reach shared goals and grow together. Imagine a classroom where everyone contributes, learns, and supports each other. Sounds great, right? Cooperative learning emphasizes collaboration. It's based on social constructivism, which believes knowledge is built through interaction. This strategy fosters responsibility and uses diverse skills, creating a richer learning experience. Research shows cooperative structures lead to better achievement and retention. Let's dive into effective cooperative learning. First, positive interdependence is essential. Group members must see their success as connected. This can mean linking rewards to group achievements. Next, individual accountability matters. Each student must be responsible for their part. This ensures everyone contributes and learns. Face-to-face interaction is vital. Students should encourage and support one another. This promotes understanding through explanation and feedback. Teaching interpersonal skills is key. Skills like listening and conflict resolution enhance group dynamics. Lastly, group processing is crucial. Groups should regularly reflect on their collaboration and set improvement goals. Now, let's explore specific cooperative learning techniques. Think, pair, share is a fantastic start. Students first think individually, then share ideas with a partner. Finally, they discuss their findings with the larger group. This promotes accountability and refines their thoughts. Next is Jigsaw. Each student becomes an expert in one subtopic. They then teach that content to their peers. This ensures everyone has a role and contributes unique knowledge. Kagan structures are also effective. Techniques like RoundRobin maximize engagement and participation. They make sure each voice is heard and valued. Reciprocal teaching is another method. Students alternate roles to guide the group through texts. This deepens comprehension and develops essential reading skills. Group investigation allows students to collaboratively explore complex questions. They collect and analyze information, which nurtures inquiry skills. Structured debates and Socratic seminars also promote reasoning and communication. They provide a structured format for discussions, enhancing thought processes. Team-based learning emphasizes both individual and group readiness. Students prepare alone, test their knowledge, then tackle advanced problems as a team. Designing effective tasks is crucial. These tasks should be open-ended and require positive interdependence. Make sure they align with learning goals and foster higher-order thinking. Successful task design includes clear objectives and specific roles for each member. Use rubrics to assess both group outcomes and individual contributions. Set milestones to support time management and facilitate feedback. Assessment is vital for accountability. Use individual quizzes to verify understanding. Peer evaluations can rate each student's contribution quality. Teacher observations and group grades also play a significant role. Managing group dynamics can be challenging. Establishing norms and conflict resolution protocols helps. Form groups intentionally by balancing skills and backgrounds. Monitor interactions closely to address issues early. Support struggling students by providing additional resources or mentorship. Cooperative learning promotes equity by valuing diverse contributions. Encourage inclusive participation and be mindful of each student's comfort levels. Use strategies like rotating roles and tracking talk time to ensure fairness. Linking questioning techniques with cooperative learning enhances understanding. Cooperative settings create opportunities for deeper questioning and collaborative learning. Practical examples can help clarify these concepts. In a science inquiry lab, students design experiments based on a teacher's question. They collaborate, collect data, and reflect on their findings. A literature seminar using Jigsaw invites students to explore character perspectives. They become experts and teach each other, enhancing interpretation skills. In mathematics, team-based learning allows for individual readiness assessments followed by collaborative problem-solving. This approach fosters critical thinking and justifications for solutions. Finally, ongoing professional development for teachers is crucial. They need to model effective strategies, observe peers, and reflect on classroom practices. In summary, cooperative learning is a powerful tool for active engagement. By focusing on collaboration, accountability, and structured tasks, you can create a vibrant learning environment. Want to transform your classroom? Start integrating these strategies today. Explore professional development opportunities and experiment with cooperative techniques. Together, we can create classrooms that inspire and engage all learners.